This is a brand new 2014 BMW 328. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, BMW apps, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, the M Sport package, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: BMW Assist, Comfort Access, a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, aluminum wheels, BMW individual composition, side impact airbags, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.